Alright, here's the full speed test for my thing. Stuff is flying everywhere off the gear, and this thing has come out, so I have to loosen it and put it back in. But it's fine, I'll just start. Alright, start slow. I think the thing's cooked. If anybody knows how to stop like the tightening thing from happening, could you tell me? Because I've been running it, hoping it would stop, but it keeps popping up again.